Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter, and I hope you all are safe. So these are the materials you need for cleaning a tank. So first is the vacuum.
Yeah, this is a vacuum. So you can see this vacuum. This is a vacuum pump you use to, to remove all the dirts, to clean it. So this is a pump. When you press it, all the dirts come out. And so these are the main thing which you need to use it. So the next one is we use
A net.
okay, a net.
So to catch the fish.
Before you prepare for cleaning, you have to keep safe everything is with you. And next we have the
The race.
number 3 is the water conditioner.
Yep.
So you make sure you add before you after cleaning the tank, you have to make sure you add a water conditioner, because you need the fish to be like adapt the water quickly. So you need to put this water conditioner whenever you clean any tank. So you have the measurements over here, so you can see my previous video. So I have mentioned everything. And the next one we get the ammonia remover. Ammonia remover is only in the necessary for people who's like look their waters are not good, if they have a lot of chlorine, ammonia. So you can use this kind of ammonia remover. So I usually don't use that. So if you want, you can use this. And this is a tub, a small cup. So you need for emergency. So you can take your if you're cleaning a guppy, we have the guppies. So if you want to clean a guppies, you have to hold this, put all these guppies inside here. So for time being,
For whatever fish.
so whatever fish you want, you can use this one.
And
So these are the stuff you need to have before you clean a water tank. So you need a big bucket. We just use this one, so temporarily. So if you have a bigger one, you can use that. So let's get into the cleaning process. Hi guys, we're gonna clean the other tub, the baby,
Yep.
the fries.
Yeah,
We're gonna clean the fries. Look at the fries, it's so dirty. I know it's so dirty.
They are not full grown adults yet.
Look
Okay.
at that fish.
But they're just
Those are the bigger one.
yeah, I'll just show you guys it. Here guys. So now
So these are, we got like 3 weeks, 4 weeks guppies. Guppy fries are there. So
where do we put it in?
give me 4 minutes. This is the pump we use to clean the dirt from the water.
So
Look at the
guys,
pump.
in
So this is the suction
filter-
pump. So once you press this suction, automatically the water comes through from this point, and you have to catch the dirty water from another tub.
Guys, there.
So we
was
found a
yeah.
we found a fry which is stuck in the motor.
Long time ago, and now
Yeah,
we're catching.
I don't know when it was stuck.
I don't
So it looks so tiny and black. Might be the fry is not
know. Well,
grown
feeding-
properly because of the lack of food. So I'll show the guppy. Wait a minute. I'll show the fry. It looks so black.
Yeah, no, I'll catch it first.
Wait a minute. I think you can't see it, I believe.
It's so small. I'll catch it for you guys.
Let me look at the fry. He's so lucky, I believe. Yeah, he was been there for a long time.
I don't know. I'll search on the side. Oh no, it's probably so small right here.
Probably it's, yeah, probably it's dirty, so you guys cannot see that, I believe.
And we're putting
Yeah,
it
we
in
found a fry in the motor
Oh, so sad.
and it became black for long. Might be there. It might be stuck in for a long time.
Did you take this vacuum off?
So wait a minute. I'm going to show the vacuum how do they work.
Okay, no, I'm
So this vacuum.
Oh, that's the sauce
Idea.
suction.
So if you pump,
So if you pump, like the worms and food and everything will come in this bucket. In a bucket. Look at that dirt. See, it's coming out. It's coming out.
show here, don't show there.
Okay.
Show here, the dirt.
It's coming.
Show the dirt here.
Ooh, look at the dirt. Look at the dirt. I feel so bad for the small fish. Make a car or something.
So show this one. Once you press here,
Yeah, once you press there,
the dirt will come out automatically.
yeah, and there's the thing.
By this way, you can clean the tank without, taking all the water out. So you don't need to have any hassle to clean this.
Yeah.
So you can clean right away from the table. And this is the best option, I would say.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And safe enough too. So
It's overflowing. It's overflowing.
okay, let me stop now.
Stop.
Give me a second.
So I'll go catch small one.
Now we have little bit.
Little bit of
We can go further, I believe. Yeah.
No. Oh yeah. I'll hold it for you.
I think now we have to stop because the fish might stuck.
No.
Yeah, we have to stop now.
You have 9 to stop.
I think.
Now we'll get that one.
See, look at the fish. These are the fries with. Yeah,
It's so.
these are like 3 or 4 weeks fries.
Yep.
I think I posted the last video, yesterday's video. So the mom she's the same mom for all the fries.
Pregnant. But one
Probably
fry
we do
died.
have like more than like 60 or 70 cup fries.
But one fry died.
Yeah, one is like it's sad. One fry last night
I
just
don't know
died.
where it is, but it's so hard.
Over here, give me that.
Huh?
Let me put that.
Take it. Go on the line. Here, take it.
Here we go.
That's the one.
Still, we need to take some water. Okay,
Okay, so
it's tough to take out.
so
I can show you the fry because the lucky fry.
that's lucky.
No. The black one.
There's one.
See that?
See,
Okay.
he is.
Yeah, that tiny black one. See? You cannot catch that. It's a lot
Okay,
of water.
it's
there.
so hard.
You can see the empty tub. I took all of the most of the water.
I'm catching.
So we're gonna catch the lucky fish which was stuck in the motor for a long time.
I know where it is. Let me
I
look.
think
I think
should be somewhere. Give me a second. Yep, over here. See, you can see the black one. Yep, this one. He's the lucky guy.
Yep.
He stayed in the motor for more than like I don't know. It looks so tiny, but and black. So this is the guy. He's the lucky guy who's
Yeah.
stuck in the motor.
So we're just gonna leave him right here because.
So we're not gonna leave with this guys because they are like 3-4 weeks older. So we're gonna keep this fry in a separate tub so that once he grow bigger, so with that we can put together.
Yeah.
Because now it's not a good.
Yeah, because they are.
Yeah, it's not a good way to put them back into this crowd.
We're going to put those fish inside that because we're gonna clean it. And there. Is there some fish? There's a lot of fish. Can't be a lot. Oh, there's food. Guys, I want to show you something. Look at how many fish we have. Oh, look at how many fish we have. 100,000. So I'm gonna show you one. I can't get them. There. These are so microscopic.
So guys, these are the fishes. These are the fries we got. Like these are 3 or 4 weeks older.
Yeah.
I think you guys saw my last video. The male female guppy. Yeah, gave birth to few fries. So So they belong to the same mom, and still she's ready for another pregnancy. I hope so.
But-
I'm just kidding.
But how can
Yeah,
she
take like a
name?
month to go for another new fries. Hi guys. Yeah, these are the few fishes which like
Small.
yeah, they are small, and the bigger one is like why we took that guy is like
It keeps punching.
yeah, he keeps fighting with the big female fish. I think they are the mom.
Yep.
So she's her mom, and but I don't know. She's keep like fighting with her, and so I don't want to hurt her. So we took this away from that another tank.
It's that one. It's that one.
Yeah. Apikat. So you can see the big one. See this one. Yeah. So it got a like fancy tail, but I don't know what happened to her.
Now we're gonna.
So we're gonna put this inside with this few guppies fries.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. See,
Yeah.
this guy. No, don't do that.
Oh, see this guy.
So this guy, he start fighting with his mom often. I don't know. He's so active.
Yep.
Put it back. So we take that out from that tank and we just putting back to this fries tank. So we have a separate tank for the fries. So once they grew up a little bit, like 6 weeks, 7 weeks, we change the tank. We put them all together in the same tank.
The baby one.
Yep. Look at that. And these are the fries, which is like bigger. So we're gonna put this guys to the tank of the 6 weeks,
You can see.
7 week guppies.
See how big they are? See how big they are? So they're completely big. I can't.
Okay, guys. Chalo.
We have some guppies here, so
We're gonna put this back to the clear water inside there. So you're gonna see that. Okay, come on.
so let's get the net.
No, this
Oh,
one.
okay, I'll do.
Keep the net here.
Okay.
Put it here. Put it in the top. Yep. So put this first. Put it inside.
Okay.
Yeah, dip your net inside
Okay.
so that everybody get fall.
Oh, there's still some dirt.
See here? They're happy with the clear water.
Yep.
Yeah,
Now,
we're gonna catch some more because we have a lot there. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna
but-
catch.
I got some.
How many you got? You
I
got a
got
lot?
some. Just got some.
Okay, just hold this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you.
So he's putting the fish. Okay, guys, I'm so excited, guys.
Here we go.
There's a lot. Done. Put it in. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go, buddies. Now we're done. Right?
Yep.
Nothing inside there. Now, I'll just catch
Show
it.
you.
I'll just catch some. Yeah. I caught nothing. Got some.
So guys, now you can see the tank is filled with water, the clear water, and I just started my motor. So once you put the water conditioner in, so I started my water like it will go for like 10 to 15 minutes. So after that you can put your fries inside. Yep. So these are the fries which are gonna go inside the clear tank.
So, we just cleaned the tank.
Look at the tank, now it's look clear.
It looks so good.
Yep. So once the tank is clean, so the first thing you have to do is like add this tank. It's a 3-gallon tank, so we have to put the water conditioner before you put the fish in. Bring the water conditioner.
Okay, so this guy, we're gonna put it in.
So take the water conditioner. So what we're gonna do, so I said before in my last video, so if you put a water conditioner, if it is a 10-gallon, you have to put 5 ml. So if it is a 20-gallon, we have to put a 10 ml. So this one is a 3-gallon, so we just come here.
1 ml.
Come this here. Come here. So the water conditioner. So we're gonna put this one. Give me a second. Yeah. We have to a little bit. Maybe I can say like maybe like 2 ml. Yeah, that's enough. So add in the water. I still have to add more water, I believe, so because I'm just for a video, I'm just showing this. So once you finish, what you have to do, leave the water like that, switch on your motor and stay like that for like 10 to 15 minutes so that the water condition mix together and the motor start recycling the same water again and again so that it mixes properly. So that after that 10 to 15 minutes you can add the fries inside so they can easily adapt the new water condition, you know. So you know that way you can avoid the fishes to die. Yeah, now we're going back to clean this tub. It's been like, because before you clean, because I usually clean like a month because it's don't get dirty a lot, because this one was like it took more than a month I believe to clean this tub because I was busy. So we're taking this tank to clean it.
Let's go.
So let's go.
So
almost we pick everything, so we're gonna put it back. Okay, just leave it. They're gonna come out automatically.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Is there enough? Is there any more?
Yeah, they have a little bit.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So still we got some dirt inside, so we're gonna remove that with a pump. It's not a big deal.
This is so. Guys, so that right there was fish that was keeping that one right there. I don't know if I.
Okay, no problem about that.
Here.
So this fish is now in the clear water, so they're back to normal. But we pick some of the fries because they grow up like they are 6 weeks. So we put that in another tank. So look at that. They look so beautiful. I change the lights. So let me see.
Yeah, I'll change it.
Yep.
Red.
No, they look good.
There's pink. There's.
Yep. This one, maybe the blue is good.
Okay, let me do blue.
Yep.
So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell.
Subscribe bell. Yep. Thank you guys.
Subscribe bell.
See you
Thank you
next video.
guys.